Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab and just right click and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. So wait for it. Just click on I understand. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now simply click on I agree and continue. Remove this unwanted pop-up and just click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. Now click on continue. Authorize. Now let me increase the text size. Now in the description box of this video, I'll share one GitHub repository. You have to just select it and simply paste over here and hit enter. Now you have to wait because we have to perform some of the manual steps also. So just wait for some more time. Now here it will create the cluster and configure it, and after that it will deploy the microservices. So can you can you comment what is microservice? Now what we need to do over here, come over here and come to manage log buckets. Now the first thing what we need to do, we have to first of all go to log storage and create a bucket over there. So how to create? First of all, just come over here. Okay, click on it. And for the name, you have to just copy this name. Okay, so carefully copy it. Click on this, and for BigQuery dataset name, they have mentioned over here. So just carefully select the names. Okay. Region will be global and all things are correct. Okay, we don't have to make any other changes. Just click on create bucket. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. Just try to check the score for other task. Okay, it's created. Now let's check a score again. So you can see it's working and there is no issue. We got the full score on this lab. So thank you. Have a great day.